my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my personal Amazon must-haves for your bedroom or your living space also. I love interior design and home decor in general, but more so now I've been really trying to set up my space for months at this point, and I've been on Amazon a lot to say the least, and I've come across a lot of pieces that I feel like are so cool, so unique, really nice, and kind of must-haves in your space. Also, before we get started, yes, I do acknowledge I'm feeling very festive with my sweater and my beanie. I do live in Mumbai, but don't come at me. I don't get to wear all of this outside, so I'm gonna wear it for this video. Having said that, let's just get started with today's video. My first must-have is gonna be LED strip lights, or you could also call them ambient lighting. So basically, it's a strip light, as the name suggests, and it has glue at the back, so you can literally stick it anywhere. You can be super creative with it, but some easy ideas are behind your TV. It looks really pretty behind your TV. Even behind your mirrors, it looks really cool. I'm considering even putting it behind my sofa. So basically, towards the end of the day, like when the sun sets, you can switch this on and it just gives a very beautiful light. Also, it comes with a bunch of different colors. I think there are at least 10 colors that you can choose from. Of course, I'll leave the link of the ones that I use in the description box below. I have tried quite a few, and these are the ones that I like the most. So definitely get yourself some LED strip lights. So the next product isn't necessarily home decor, but it is so incredibly functional. Like, it's gonna make your life so much easier, especially get this for your side table. What I'm talking about is a cordless charger. So not only is it like a wireless charger where you can just keep your phone and it's gonna charge on its own, but it also has a bunch of plug points. So it has 2 plug points साथ में, and on the top it also has some USB cords. So a lot of things can be charged on this one device. It's really cute. It's white. It's very sleek. Like, it's not gonna clash with your space. I've tried my fair share of wireless chargers, and this is the one that I like the most. I personally really struggle with charging my phone. I will not charge my phone till it's reached 1 or 2% battery, which I know is not the best thing to do. So this just makes me want to charge my phone, because I literally just have to keep my phone on the thing and it charges itself. So yeah, get yourself a wireless charger. Talking about chargers, I have one more charging device. So it's a socket. Basically, as I mentioned earlier, I do struggle with charging my phone. So what I do is, before I go to bed, I'll keep my phone on charging and I'll let it charge throughout the night, which I know is not a good thing for your phone, obviously. But that's the only way I have charge in my phone. Like, if I don't charge my phone at night, I will not charge it throughout the day. So a solution for that is to get this socket. So basically, you can adjust the time on the socket itself, ki kitna time you want your phone to be charged. So basically, when you plug this in, you can use this button in order to change the timing. So here, as you can see, there's 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hours, and 8 hours. I'm also going to leave a video in the description box below, so you can actually understand how to use it and use all the other features of this socket. I think it's such a cool product. So if you're like me and if you keep your phone puri raat charging ke liye, get yourself this device. Next must-have, you might have seen in an Amazon haul. I'm talking about a bean bag, but not a regular bean bag, a fur bean bag. So this comes in a bunch of different colors. Obviously, me being me, I picked a white bean bag. It's been 2 months and abhi tak it's been looking ekdam hi zyada white. Abhi tak kharab nahi hua hai. I don't know how. I've been able to maintain it so far, but yeah, it looks very aesthetic. It's so cute, but it's so incredibly comfortable. I think everyone needs a bean bag in their life, especially when I'm editing. I'm on my bean bag. Otherwise, I end up slouching in weird positions while editing. So on this, I can adjust myself to sit up at least semi-straight. Otherwise, on the sofa or on my bed, I sit in the weirdest positions, and my back really ends up hurting by the end of the day. Of course, I'm not saying that a bean bag is going to help you correct your posture, but it's comfortable and it's, I feel better than slouching on your bed or your couch. So for this bean bag, you do need to buy the beans separately. So I'll make sure to leave the beans also that I got from Amazon only in the description box below. So when I bought this bean bag, I honestly bought it because it looked cute for the aesthetics. I picked it up, and also to fill up a space. Everyone wants to sit on the bean bag, and actually this bean bag was supposed to be a part of my bedroom. I kept it in my bedroom, but I've brought it out and it's gonna be permanently sitting in my living room. Next, I have this laptop table. Again, I've picked up quite a few laptop tables from Amazon, and this is the best laptop table table that I found. It's number one, it's cute, which is why I'm including it in this video. So a lot of times what happens is products are functional, like they're really useful and handy, but they don't look that good. But this is best of both worlds. Like the tabletop is white, the base is this light wood, so it matches really well with my bedroom, but at the same time it's very sturdy, and it also comes with like a drawer on the side, so you can maybe keep your USBs or your hard disk or whatever that it is that you need to store. And the best part is that the tabletop is adjustable, so you can move it up and down, because a lot of times when you type on your laptop or you're working on your laptop, it's nice to have it at an angle. It just provides more comfort for your hands and your shoulders. At least that's what I feel personally. So if you're working from home, or if you're just someone who spends a lot of time on their laptop, definitely check out this laptop table. So it is a laptop table, but you don't have to use it only as a laptop table, right? You can use it for having your meals or writing something down. Like you can use it however you want, of course. Okay, next I have some organizers. So you could use these as like a display piece also. Like for the longest time, मेरे room में तो they were just sitting on the floor because I did not have a place to keep them. So you can actually keep them bahar also, and they look very cute depending on the color that you pick. So basically there are these cubes, storage bins essentially, and uske andar you can keep whatever it is that you need to store. For example, if you want to organize your clothes really well, you can get these bins and you can throw all your jeans in one bin, you can throw all your say t-shirts in one bin, your undergarments, and it's just going to help you segregate. And when you want a product, like when you're trying to reach out for say your underwear, you know you need to pick out this bin, and it's just easier. Like it's very functional, but I think they look really cute as well. So I'm currently using two organizers up there. This is where I'm holding all of my giveaway stuff. Other than that, I'm using the beige ones right here in order to organize all of my home decor. So I have all of like my lights and other props. I've basically been able to really like segregate everything. It's made life so much easier for me. Even in terms of like filming videos, I use different bins for different videos. So for example, इसके पहले मैंने नायका हॉल फिल्म किया था, तो मैंने एक बिन के अंदर सारे वो वीडियो के प्रोडक्ट्स डाल दिए. Then the next video that I'm going to film, all the products that I'm going to show for that video is in a separate bin. It just helps you like categorize and organize. If you're someone who burns candles all the time, you need this product in your life. It's a candle lighter. So इसके पहले I would use a regular matches का box to like light my candles, and it was such a hassle. Especially Bath and Body Works candles are a little bit difficult to light because it comes in like a tub, and then you have to like try to light 3 wicks if you have 3 wicks usme. So this just makes it so much easier. The head is bendable and it is a wireless lighter. So it comes with a USB. You charge it for like a few minutes and uska battery full ho jata hai. It's very easy. And then you use it to light your candles. I know, very straightforward, but very, very handy. So with this product too, I've done a lot of trial and error, and this is the best one that I've found. So definitely check it out. Next product is very, very straightforward, but I had to give it a mention. It is fairy lights. Fairy lights are so inexpensive, but at the same time, they make your space literally light up. Mansi gifted me these USB wale fairy lights. Before this, I used to use the AA batteries wale fairy lights, but the thing with those is that the battery like dies out really easily, and then the fairy lights become dim. So I really like the USB wala because you're directly using electricity, and they'll be super bright all along. So I'm gonna make sure to link the ones that Mansi gifted me. I bought a bunch of those spare ones so that I can use them everywhere around the house. Next product is so interesting. It's a mini fridge. So you could of course use a mini fridge to store your beverages, but if you've been watching a lot of YouTube or you're on Pinterest a lot, you might have seen like a skincare fridge wherein you store your skincare inside the fridge. It's a little bit bougie, it's a little bit unnecessary. You can't consider this a must-have, but it's a pretty cool product, so I had to mention it in this video. So this is what the fridge looks like, and this is what it looks like from the inside. So here I've just kept my sheet masks and my under eye patch, and then I've kept my eye cream and my lip mask. The eye cream, every time I use it, it feels so good and so cooling. Then I have my toner and just my everyday products. These honestly feel like when you apply it on your skin, it's very cooling, it's very nice. I do really enjoy this purchase. So it also comes with this wire which you can actually attach to your car, so you can take this when you're traveling probably. And the last product that I have for you guys is a copper ka jug. So you might have heard your nani, your dadi or your mom talking about the benefits of drinking from a copper utensil, be it a jug, a glass, whatever. What I do is I fill it up every day in the morning and then I'll keep it somewhere in the living room and then I drink it throughout the day. It's very cute because it's like copper and I really like the color. I did buy like 2 of those and I like the one that I'm showing you, of course, so definitely check that one out. I've done all the trial and error for you guys so you guys get the best product. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. Now let's move on to today's giveaway. So today's giveaway is going to be an Instagram based giveaway. In order to win, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Skion, and lastly tag 3 friends on my latest Instagram post. That's it. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.